Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Today, we're diving into something that promises to take your hair care routine to the next level. The Amika Next Level Nourishment Signature Routine Set. This set includes full-size bottles of Amika's Normcore Signature Shampoo, Normcore Signature Conditioner, and the Soulfood Nourishing Mask. It's designed to deliver nourishment and deep conditioning with the help of Amika's signature ingredient, Buckthorn. The formula is clinically proven to provide up to 7 times more conditioned hair when used together as a system. Plus, it's cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your choice. Let's break it down further. Product overview. The Amika Next Level Nourishment Signature Routine Set comes with 3 key products that work together to hydrate and condition hair, leaving it soft and manageable. The Normcore Signature Shampoo gently cleanses without stripping, while the Normcore Signature Conditioner adds moisture and smoothness. The Soulfood Nourishing Mask is the star, packed with nourishing ingredients, including the powerful Buckthorn, known for its hydrating and restorative properties. All 3 products are free from sulfates, parabens, and cruelty. The formula is designed for all hair types, making it versatile, and the products come in convenient full-size bottles, perfect for those who want a complete, all-in-one routine. Real-world testing and usage experience. I've been using this system for a few weeks now, and here's what I found. The shampoo lathers well and cleanses without leaving my hair feeling dry or stripped. It's actually quite gentle, which is a big plus for my color-treated hair. The conditioner is creamy and applies easily. I noticed that my hair felt noticeably smoother after rinsing it out. It wasn't weighed down, but still had a nice level of moisture. It's a perfect balance for those who want hydration without that heavy, greasy feeling. Now, let's talk about the Soulfood Nourishing Mask. This was my favorite part. I used it as a deep conditioning treatment once a week, and I could immediately feel the difference. My hair felt incredibly soft, and the shine was noticeable. It did what it promised. My hair felt healthier and more nourished. However, I did notice that the mask takes a little longer to rinse out compared to some others I've used, so you'll need to make sure you rinse thoroughly. It's not a deal breaker, but worth noting. Pros and cons. Pros. The shampoo and conditioner combo is effective yet gentle, leaving hair clean but not stripped. The Soulfood Nourishing Mask provides deep hydration, making it great for dry or damaged hair. All products are cruelty-free and free from sulfates and parabens. The system works well for all hair types, offering versatility. The scent is light and pleasant, not overwhelming. Cons. The Soulfood Nourishing Mask might take longer to rinse out, which can be a bit annoying if you're in a rush. The price point is higher than some other hair care systems on the market, so it may not be the most budget-friendly option. Value for money. When it comes to value for money, I have to say this set leans on the pricier side, especially if you're used to drugstore brands. However, considering the quality and effectiveness of the products, it's a solid investment for those looking to level up their hair care routine. Plus, with full-size bottles, this set will last a while, which helps justify the cost. Comparisons. Comparing this set to other high-end hair care systems, Amika stands out with its focus on natural ingredients like Buckthorn. While you can find other products with similar moisturizing benefits, Amika's formulation feels a bit more luxurious, with a more pronounced smoothing effect. The price is comparable to other premium brands, so it really comes down to whether you're willing to pay a bit more for the nourishing qualities of the superfruit and the brand's cruelty-free promise. Build quality and longevity. The bottles are sturdy and the pumps make application easy, which is always a bonus. There's nothing about the packaging that feels cheap. The longevity of the product, in terms of how it performs over time, is solid. My hair has remained soft and healthy throughout the testing period, and the mask continues to provide deep nourishment. Customer support. I haven't needed to reach out to Amika's customer service for this particular set, but based on the reputation the brand has built, I'd expect responsive and helpful support should any issues arise. Amika's overall customer satisfaction is strong, with many people praising their attention to detail and quick response times. Product alternatives. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, Shea Moisture offers a good, nourishing hair care system that's more affordable. It may not have the same luxury ingredients like sea buckthorn, but it's effective for those on a tighter budget. Final verdict. To wrap it up, the Amika Next Level Nourishment Signature Routine Set does exactly what it promises: hydrating, conditioning, and nourishing your hair with a high-quality formula. It's best for those with dry, damaged, or color-treated hair looking for a luxurious hair care experience. While it's on the expensive side, the results justify the price, especially if you want a reliable, cruelty-free product. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other hair care enthusiasts can find this video too. Thank you so much for watching today. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments below. The link to grab this set is in the description box. Until next time, keep your hair looking its best, and I'll see you soon with more reviews on Beautyistic.